Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. This is my new shop, which is not so much for stuff on the channel. Again, probably not really going to be working in here a lot on channel projects. But this is for a plasma cutting, sign manufacturing, powder coating, sandblasting business that I'm starting called Creative Corner. I'll probably launch another channel for it, and you know, some of the stuff will cross over and some of it won't. But you know, for people into sandblasting and powder coating and making signs and things like that, the junkyard did not provide this, but you guys helped. Definitely wouldn't be here without you. I wouldn't have believed in myself enough, and you know, my in-laws wouldn't have believed in me enough to go ahead and co-sign this. I was hoping it would be sheeted by today, but the weather kind of took a turn. It's windy. Not sure when it will be exactly. Let's step back outside and go over it real quick. 36 feet long, 30 feet wide, 12 feet high. There's a 10 by 10 door. I kind of have it divided up in my mind. So over here is where I'll keep my car parts on a pallet rack that'll go that way. Over here is where I'll keep my biofuel processor. And I'll have another pallet rack that goes that way. Somewhere in there is where I'll have my plasma table. Somewhere right by that pole. That pole is the natural gas meter. So probably I'll have that, I'll have my powder coat oven right there by the man door. The bathroom will be in that back corner. I'll have a paint booth over there. The rest of it's pretty open. I'll have a fab table so I can do my welding and stuff. My press brake, well, it's not a press brake, it's just a press, but I'm going to make it into a press brake. That'll be out here somewhere. I'm going to put all that stuff on wheels. As of right now, the concrete's scheduled to be poured next Thursday, but it's fall in Michigan, so you know, weather does what weather wants. It's supposed to be pouring rain right now, and it's not raining at all. So I really don't know. But the contractor's great. He's working, you know, he's got two kids. His two kids that work with him, and it's pretty cool. They work really well together. Better than my brother and myself ever worked with my dad. But yeah, at the end of it all, people have asked like how much it cost. A lot, I'll tell you that. Like way more than any videos I've seen on a similar size shop. But I'm paying by inflation prices. So at the end of it all, when I know what it was altogether, I'll definitely do a total video. I just wanted to take you guys along. Some of you seem to be into it. Some of you probably aren't, don't care, whatever. That's fine too. But, oh, concrete. So the concrete, you know, they'll pour it in there, obviously, up to the bottom of that white thing. And then out here, I'm going to have a 10 by 10 by 30, sorry. 10 feet out this way, 30 feet all the way across the building. And then a little sidewalk that goes up to the service door there. Obviously, we're going to have to do a lot of, by we, it's like the royal we, I mean the contractors. They're going to have to do a bunch of grading and bring in some fill dirt and level all this out and smooth it. The driveway will go around. Right behind my truck, there's like a hump. That's always been there, so they're going to dig that out and pour gravel so that I have a nice, like, L driveway to go around the corner here. Yeah, so they told me it takes 7 to 10 days before I can drive on the concrete, because for this year, for this winter, Daryl's going in there. Next summer, I hope to be able to build a lean-to off the side here. I'd like to do 10 feet, but my wife and my father-in-law think I need to do 12 and park the trucks. I want to park the trucks along like this, but they want me to pull them in like that. We'll see how it goes. I mean, the two that I count on having are the Toyota and the C10. The D100, I don't really know what I'm doing with that or how much I care or, you know, whatever. But I'll probably replace it with something else. So I need parking up here still. And I can't have everything out here where I'll have customers in my trailer and trying to bring material in. I'll insert a little clip of the machine that I bought that kicked all this off. It's pretty cool. It's a Langmuir Crossfire Pro. And then the plasma cutter I have can cut up to like 3/4 of an inch. So most of what I want to do is signs for businesses and little clever signs, you know, Happy Thanksgiving, that kind of crap. And then I can do powder coat wheels, sandblast and powder coat wheels out here. We'll probably put a little, before the lean-to, we'll put a little blast room off to the side somewhere so I can come outside and blast. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe a little stripper room where I can keep chemical stripper. I'm seeing that it's out of stock everywhere right now. It's shortages on everything. But that's it. That's the progress. It looks like they got it all trimmed out today and they should be ready to throw this. I think that the sheeting should go pretty quick. Ironically, that building over there, if you guys can see it, I'll zoom on it for you. That's the roofing supplier and my building's the same color scheme as theirs, which wasn't intentional, but whatever. That's how it goes. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and we'll see you next time on The Driveway Engineer.